Hey, I'm Annie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money online. Make sure you watch until the end. I need a successful man's story. His age is 20 years ago. He struggled in his life. He faced every day a new problem. He is very hard-working man's story. How to become successful in life at a young age. Let's start it. So, what exactly is financial well-being? Basically, it's all about feeling in control of your money, being able to handle your daily expenses, prepare for unexpected things, and save for your future without constantly stressing about it. It's not about being rich, it's about managing what you have in a way that lets you enjoy life, whether it's paying bills, planning for a vacation, or building up savings. Financial well-being gives you the freedom to make decisions that work for you. When you've got your finances in a good place, life just feels easier. Let's break down some of the benefits. First off, less stress. When you're not constantly worrying about money, you can focus on other things, like your job, your hobbies, or your family. Second, it helps you plan for the future. Whether it's saving for a big goal like a house or retirement, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're working towards something important. And finally, it gives you confidence. You'll feel more in control and empowered to make smart decisions with your money, whether that's saving, spending, or investing. All right, so how do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. Step 1, start with a budget. Jot down every single income and expenses so you know exactly where your money's going. Step 2, build an emergency fund. Aim for saving up 3 to 6 months worth of expenses so you're covered if something unexpected happens. Step 3, set some financial goals. It could be paying off debt, saving for something special, or starting to invest. Clear goals give you something to aim for and keep you on track. Remember, this is a journey. It won't happen overnight, but taking these small steps will put you on the right path to feeling more secure and confident with your money. And that's it. If you're ready to take control of your financial well-being, we're here to help you every step of the way. Feel free to reach out to us for advice or support.